company is bound to have a company secretary on its roll. कोई भी कंपनी मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ ये, this is again laid down in the act that every company is bound to have a CS on its rolls. वो कंपनी सेक्रेटरी सारा लुक आफ्टर करता है ये सब कुछ. इसीलिए तो these company secretaries, CAs, they are in demand. Companies cannot work. See, if I give you an example, do you think Mukesh Ambani is so efficient to see the legal matters as well as all the other business matters also? Legal matters also? No. They have these people, these experts who are taking care of this. आगे जब हम पढ़ेंगे तो this is also you're going to read about it. How is it very important to, why is it very important to have a CS on its rolls by a company? Can I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Common seal. Now, the company doesn't has any of its members who will sign. Members sign नहीं कर सकते. A company has a seal. When we say कि it is an artificial person, it has no physical existence. So it has to act through its agent, and all such contracts, any contract, कोई भी sale purchase वो कर रहे हैं, then on that contract has to be with the company seal. This company seal acts as the official signature of the company.
मैम वो सील कॉपी नहीं हो सकती.
जो फ्रॉड करते हैं वो करते हैं ये सब कुछ. But then there are, along with that, the directors have to witness it. Whenever official documents, so वो उसके नीचे ऐसे होता है. In case this is a document, then it's a company seal. Then it is talks about the witness in front of whom this document has been done and before whom this company seal was put. So company seal is called the official signature of the company. Now, one next very important feature of a, please look at the watch because I'm not taking care of it. Now, next important feature of a JSC, the company's capital is divided into small parts. It is subdivided into units, and each unit is called shares. Now, when you read about shares in the further chapter, you will find that in a public limited company, when you have the shares, you are allowed to transfer those shares. So, when the shares can be transferred, supposedly, let's take an example. आज मेरे पास Reliance के shares हैं. Nandana is interested, Khushi is interested, I can sell them off to both of them. So here, if you see the situation that no shareholder is permanent in a company, so they can keep on changing when the shareholder sells its own shares. But in the case of private companies, when you will see, the shares cannot be transferred. And in a public limited company, the shares can be easily transferred. But again, under the rules and regulations of SEBI. SEBI is the Stock Exchange Board of India, manages the entire securities market, and SEBI sees that there is no fraud which takes place in respect of these shares and all. So this was against after Harshad Mehta's. You've all seen Harshad Mehta series.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have an answer from others? Yes, the girls. Have you watched Harshad Mehta series? Anyone? Now, अगर
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
हर्षद मेहता की सीरीज याद हो, तो did you notice
Yes.
it was very easy for Harshad Mehta to do this fraud? Because
Yes, ma'am.
because that was the time that the guidelines of SEBI were not very strict. अगर आप देखोगे कि SEBI की जितनी amendments हुई हैं, that is after Harshad Mehta's case, because they came to know what are the loopholes in our system. कि कहाँ
मैम
से,
उसने कोई लॉ तोड़ा ही नहीं था।
क्योंकि वो लॉ के हिसाब से चल रहा था, बट हमारे इतनी शॉर्ट कमिंग्स, इतनी लूप होल्स थे इनैक्टमेंट में कि ही कुड इजीली गेट थ्रू। वो तो सिर्फ पॉलिटिकल अरेना में फंस गया, अदरवाइज ही वुड हैव इजीली कम आउट ऑफ इट। Okay, let's check your knowledge quickly before we will not move further. Joint stock companies are formed by issuing
शेयर
shares. The persons who buy shares is called
शेयर होल्डर्स
shareholder. The shareholders are considered the
ओनर्स।
owners of the company. Yes, Devansh Garg, can I have an answer? Now everyone is keeping quiet now. Perpetual succession means it will come to an end on the death, insanity, or insolvency of the members. True or false? Devansh, are you there? Is he there in the class? Devansh? Okay, Bhavya? Bhavya? Krishna? Okay, Bhavya. Yes, Bhavya, yes.
यस
Bhavya. Perpetual succession. Does perpetual succession means that the company comes to an end on the death, insanity of the members?
नो
Question
मैम।
number D. False. The liability of a joint stock members is, joint stock company is? Yes, Krishna. Liability कैसी है JSC में? It is a limited liability. Yes, Khushi, the shares are easily.
Ma'am, joint stock company has unlimited liability.
अनलिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी हो जाएगी तो बेटा, तो वो तो फिर हमारा सोल
मैम
प्रॉपर,
अनलिमिटेड नहीं होती।
फिर तो हमारी सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में भी अनलिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी है। व्हाई आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट इट कि दे सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटीज हैं? अगर हम कह रहे हैं दे आर टू सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटीज, डिड खुशी से दैट? खुशी?
No, ma'am, it's issue.
इशिका, जब हम ये कह रहे हैं कि दो सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटीज हैं, दैट इज कंपनी अलग है और उसके मेंबर्स अलग हैं, तो इनकी लाइब और कंपनी को जितने डेट्स हैं वो कंपनी की प्रॉपर्टी में से ही दिए जाएंगे, मेंबर्स उसमें से कुछ नहीं दे रहे, तो मेंबर्स की लाइबिलिटी कैसी हो गई? लिमिटेड या अनलिमिटेड?
Limited.
So it becomes limited liability. The shares are easily transferable. Separate legal entity means, separate legal entity means the members and the company are two different legal entities. They are two different persons. Members and company are not considered as one. Okay, the last one. Every company must own it, have its own
कॉमन सी
common seal, which acts as an official signature of the company. Okay, what is the time? Then I'll move further.
1 मिनट बाकी।
Okay, so we have more of comparisons tomorrow. I request everyone कि एक बार सिर्फ जीएससी के फीचर्स पढ़ लेना, क्योंकि we are not coming with types of GSC. There are different types of companies. वो हम पूरा सब कंपैरिजन कर लेंगे शायद सैटरडे तक. Friday, Saturday we'll give 2 days for comparison, right? Then we'll come to types of companies the next week and types of company and formation of companies. Please go through the features, everyone,
यस
from your book. And I will just send you a screenshot. You can even read that. And उसको अपने notes में add कर लेना. Please let me see the attendance. Okay, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, thank you everyone. Please read the features of JSC. Bye bye.